Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, everyone. I request all of you to come front of stage. I request all the team players and all the audience to come front of stage. Hello. I request everyone to come in front of stage fast. सभी को रिक्वेस्ट है थोड़ा नीचे बैठिए.
विनर टीम और रनर टीम इस तरफ विनर टीम बैठ जाइए और उनके बगल में रनर अप टीम. और ऑडियंस से रिक्वेस्ट है आप उनके पीछे. निखिल, एनआईबीएम कैप्टन निखिल अपने प्लेयर्स को लेके स्टेज के सामने आए. एनआईबीएम टीम, सर ये प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बाद हम फोटो शूट कर लेंगे, थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है, प्लीज. एनआईबीएम टीम, निखिल प्लीज. सभी ऑडियंस से रिक्वेस्ट है, पीछे चेयर लगे हुए हैं, आप लोग उस पे बैठ जाइए, कोई खड़े मत रहिए. हाँ? हाँ. सभी जो और जो इस लीग मैच में मिलेनियम प्रीमियम लीग 2026 में जितने भी टीम के प्लेयर्स हैं यहाँ पे, वो भी अभी ट्रॉफी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देख के ही जाएं, क्योंकि उस फर्स्ट मैच सेकेंड मैच में उनके भी टीम का मैन ऑफ द मैच प्लेयर है.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I congratulate both the teams for the outstanding performance. Now I request our dignitaries to come on the stage for prize distribution and felicitation. Respected Nambia sir, respected Jeevan sir, respected Jitin sir, respected Ravi sir, respected Nandapaka sir, respected Anup sir, respected Girish sir, respected Vinu sir, respected Prajesh sir, respected Vinod sir. Today, the third and final day of MPL 2020-26 Season 7 makes the mark with the end of 3 spectacular days filled with hard work, resilience, and fierce passion. I request Dambia sir to speak few words regarding this season.
हेलो, ये साल का कंपटीशन आज संपतो है and छान प्ले झाले तुमच्या सर्वांच्या. You are all playing very well and I congratulate all of you for the best performance given today and yesterday also. And the spirit, more than everything, the spirit to play among yourselves is very great and you have done very good and I'm very happy and so all the best all of you for the best performance. Continue doing it in the next year also. Now you all will be getting some presents and awards and all. Okay? So be patient, who are all going to get it. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Now I request Jivan sir to speak few words.
Happy evening. I'm very happy because of a big reason that we have concluded MPL 2026 gracefully, successfully. So I'm very happy for that. Um, Lots of cherishing memories we will take from here. Lots of smile and yes, maybe some few sore muscles also there. So I congratulate all participants, the organizers, especially the HR team under the leadership of Abhilash, and the project directors, Nanda Burkar, Anup, Girish, and all project managers, project heads. I congratulate because this is done very well, very wonderfully. MPL 2026 फिर से याद दिलाता है कि cricket is not just not just a game of runs and wickets, but it's a game of team spirit, demonstration of leadership, and of course, the how we perform under the pressure. उसका भी एक अच्छा टेस्टिमोनियल आप लोग ने दिखाया है. जैसा हम लोग अपना on day-to-day routine में how we face and how we do the job under the pressure, उसका एक टेस्टिमोनियल हम लोगों ने यहाँ 3 दिन में दिखाई दिया. My heartfelt congratulations to the winning team and all other teams. Here the winning and losing is not the matter. We have demonstrated that we are one team and we have got one goal and we all got a winning mindset, which is the message we have to carry to the sites when we go for tomorrow to our routine job. So before I conclude, I would like to take few names who were I will read out the names. I will read out the names and I request them to come in front of the stage. Sunil Kandalkar, Rajesh Vaileri, Sandaram Kate, Jnandeep Kate, all are requested to come in front of the stage and stand in front of the stage. Dilip K, Prashant Holkar, Sambhaji Halnor, Babu Yerolkar, Ramesh Birajdar, Sri Hanuman Sriram, Mukesh Vyavhare, Killedar Javed, Sachin Talgote, Sandeep Shinde, Ashok Chalware, Sharad Pardeshi, Vinod Kumar MR, Anish KV, Santosh Pawar, Suraj Raju, Kishore Ramlakhan Tiwari, Harshad Guse, Chandrakant, Veer Chandrakant Achyut, MD Anwar, Digambar Eknath, Rupesh Pawar, and Srikant Babu Rao. अभी किस लिए इनको बुलाया होगा किसी को अंदाज है? All these people were playing MPL since the inception of the MPL.
बॉल पे उनको बताया है कि इतना रन हुआ, उस हिसाब से उन्होंने कमेंट्री किया है। उनका कमेंट्री किसी को देखना है तो वो आप यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हैं।
Also, I'm calling upon the umpires, Mr. Amar Pardeshi, Mr. Anil Sate, and Mr. Avinash Misal. Also, taking this moment to appreciate our caterers for fabulous food which they provided for 3 days. Our caterers, please come onto the stage. Also, our ambulance driver, Mr. Ravi Rathod, and first aider, Mr. Shivraj Yadav. Our groundman, Mr. Pavan, please come to the stage. Our event management team, Mr. Rohit Rokde and Hari. Rohit Rokde, Hari. Our event coordinators, Mr. Basavaraj, Deepak Kale, Umesh, Pradyuman, Mallikarjun, Samadhan, Avinash, Pratik and Ratnesh. A special token of appreciation for well organizing and coordinating the MPL 2026 matches, Mr. Shubham and Mr. Binod MR. Mr. Shubham and Mr. Binod MR. Don't leave the stage. Don't leave the stage. Okay. So Binod sir and Shubham sir, please share your experience. Okay, Shubham will share the experience.
अभी मैं सबसे पूछना चाहता हूं, मैं बाद में बोलूंगा, लेकिन मैं सबसे पूछना चाहता हूं, आपने यहाँ पे गुड एक्सपीरियंस क्या किया है और बैड एक्सपीरियंस क्या किया है? मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि उसके आगे हम अगर करेंगे तो उसमें वो सुधार लाएंगे, इसलिए अगर कोई एनीबॉडी, किसी का कुछ सजेशन है? सर लोग, आप लोग की तरफ, हाँ सर, आप लोगों की तरफ से कुछ? ठीक है, मैंने ये कोऑर्डिनेट किया, लेकिन हमारे सपोर्टिंग टीम के साथ, अभिलाष सर के साथ, मैं अकेले ऐसा नहीं किया है। जो भी किया है उनसे पूछ के किया, उन्होंने अच्छा सजेशन दिया, ऐसे ऐसे करो। थैंक यू अभिलाष सर, थैंक यू जीवन सर, थैंक यू नंबियार सर, थैंक यू जितिन सर, ऑल सीनियर्स, थैंक यू। और एक और है, हमारे एमपीएल टीम में दो लोगों ने एंकरिंग किया है, मिस जैस्मिन मैडम और मिस कोमल। उनको, जीवन सर को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि उनको
I request Adarsh scorer team to come on stage. Now moving forward to the league matches prize distribution. For first day, they were conducted 7 matches, and man of the match for League 1 goes to Nayabal Veer Maure team.
नायब लाल.
I request all the winners to come from one side of the stage and leave the stage from other side. Veer Mawar. Man of the match for League Match 2, Abhijit KV, Millennium NIBM Warriors. Man of the match for League Match 3, Omkar Sonamne, MGV Champions. Man of the match for League Match 4, Atul Mane, KRC Hunters. Man of the match, League Match 5, Sandeep Tomre, Villa Victory. तालियों की आवाज ही नहीं आ रही. Man of the match, League Match 6, Jalinder Nevse, Millennium NIBM Warriors. Man of the match, League Match 7, Mahesh Kale, MGV Champions. Now coming to day second, man of the match, League Match 8, Sagar Maskar, we are champions.
तालियां जोर से बजनी चाहिए.
Man of the match, League Match 9, Biju Mohan R, Royal Challengers Kothurud. Man of the match, League Match 10, Shantaram Kate, HO Panther. Man of the match, League Match 12, Sagar Maskar, we are champions. Man of the match from League Match 11, Atul Mane, KLC Hunters. Man of the match, League Match 13, Swapnil Tarase, ESP Nexus. Man of the match, League Match 14, Debabalta Bishwas, 11 stars. Now, moving forward to semi-final matches, man of the match for semi-final 1 goes to Sambhaji from MGV Champions. Man of the match for semi-final 2 goes to Dilip from Millennium NIBM Warriors. Now, man of the match for final match goes to Bhagwan from NGV Champions. Best bowler Akshay from MGV Champions. Best batsman Sambhaji from MGV Champions. Last but not the least, man of the series goes to Jalinder Millennium NIBM Warriors. Now, moving forward, there are some special prizes sponsored by Nambia Sir. Any guesses? I request Akshay to come on stage. ये अभी जो स्पेशल प्राइजेस है किसके हो सकते हैं? एनी गेसेस? रीना तुम हो तो तुम कैसे हो सकते? बेस्ट कैच ऑफ द सीरीज कैलाश चौहान KRC Hunters. Best catch in the final match, Digvijay Patil from NIBM. Best bowler in the final match, Dilip from Millennium NIBM Warriors. Last special prize sponsored by Jeevan Sir, Best Batsman in the final match, Amar Thorat, MGB Champions. Now I request Ravi Sir to give vote of thanks.
Hi, good evening, my dear friends. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the management, top management especially, to conduct MPL all these years. And this is the 7th year consecutively this cricket match is conducted. And of course, it is a fantastic endeavor to conduct such matches continuously. And another thing, I would like to congratulate our HR team that is led by Mr. Abhilash and the entire team to coordinate the entire events for the last 3 days. Of course, we have the project directors, Mr. Nandapurkar, Mr. Anup Kumar, and the director contracts, Mr. Girish, and of course, Jivan sir, the MD, and all others who are behind the curtain and in front of the curtain. And another important thing, the enthusiasm of the entire players. And today only I attended the matches. One thing I noticed is the enthusiasm of all the players. Not only the final team that is who were in the semi-finals, but also the team members of other matches also. And I have noticed that is there is a spirit of unity among all the employees. That is, we are all Millennium family. We are the members of the Millennium family. That spirit is there actually. And this has become a festival actually. A festival which is conducted every year. So that spirit, I would congratulate everybody and I appreciate everybody actually. And I am sure that this type of matches and other functions we can conduct in the coming years also. That's all. Thank you all for inviting me to witness today's proceedings. And I am sure I will be always with you, being a supporter, not a front runner. I am there always to give a support to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Abhilash sir to come on the stage. I request Nambia sir to felicitate Abhilash sir. Thank you, sir. हो गया अभी वोट ऑफ थैंक्स हो गया सब हो गया और क्या
मेरा बाकी अभी क्योंकि मैं पहले जब फर्स्ट डे आया था तब बात किया था क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम उन्होंने काफ़ी चेसिंग किया था एमजीवी टीम और इस बार मैं पहले डिक्लेयर किया था अगर एमजीवी सेमीफाइनल तो 5,000 होगा 5,000 आपको दे दिया और फाइनल अगर जीत लिया तो 50,000 का मैं पहले डिक्लेयर किया था बराबर है तो टीम मैनेजर और कैप्टन आ गया है और 15,000 का कैश प्राइज लेके जाओ कम
The runner-up of this series of MPL 2026 goes to Millennium NIBM Warriors. I request all the team members to come on the stage. तालियों की आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
Find trending sarees at lower prices on Meesho. Download now.
बर्थडे बजट हर बजट के सामान के लिए Amazon चेक कर लेना. Download now.
हो गया. नंदापुकर सर ने प्राइज ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर किया एंड यू हैव रिसीव्ड द प्राइज. Winner of the series of MPL 2026 owned by the name MGV Champions. MGV Champions, please come up on the stage. Thank you, DJ. Please off the song.
J J हाय डेअरिंग तुम
या ठिकाणी दहशत करायला बघताना तुम्ही या ठिकाणी वन
S J J J J हाय डेअरिंग तुमची नकली आमच्या पुढे भले भले झुकली मला भिडून वाट तुझी चुकली आशे रडणारी कितीतरी ठोकली आम्ही ओरिजिनल तुम्ही डमी नका समजू आम्हाला कमी आम्ही ओरिजिनल तुम्ही डमी नका समजू आम्हाला कमी जिथं दहशत करताय तुम्ही आरती धक्क म्हणताय किंग हाय आम्ही धक्क म्हणताय किंग हाय आम्ही धक्क म्हणताय किंग हाय आम्ही S J J J J तावणी शिवर डोळ्यात आग एकटा भिडतोय कोण नाही माग नाही पळायचं थांबून बघा मन कळाला माझी रग ताव
थैंक यू डीजे। अभी एक 15 मिनट के लिए ओपन डीजे है, जिसको जो डांस करने के लिए एक्साइटेड है वो कर सकता है।
मला त्याने